is the weather like today? What is the weather like today? Friends, look at what the weather is doing today. Is it sunny outside? No, it's not. What is the weather doing? Did you say it's raining? Yes, you're right. It is a rainy day today. Should we sing about the rain? I think so too. Here we go. Friends, this next song is a great one to sing if it's raining outside. Now, what would you do if it was raining lemon drops and gumdrops? Would you run outside with your mouth open wide? Ah, 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 ah. Let's sing about it. If all of the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. I'd run outside with my mouth open wide. Ah, 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 ah. If all of the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Oh, that was nice singing. All right, we're going to do more, but this time we're going to sing about healthy foods, okay? So, what if it was raining apples and bananas? Let's sing about raining apples and bananas. If all of the raindrops were apples and bananas, oh, what a rain that would be. I'd run outside with my mouth open wide. Ah, 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 ah. If all of the raindrops were apples and bananas, oh, what a rain that would be. Great singing. All right, let's sing about more healthy foods. Friends, what is this? Did you say potato? If so, you are correct. It's a potato. Not to be confused with this, which is a tomato. That's right. We're going to sing about potatoes and tomatoes. Here we go. If all of the raindrops were potatoes and tomatoes, oh, what a rain that would be. I'd run outside with my mouth open wide. Ah, 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 ah. If all of the raindrops were potatoes and tomatoes, oh, what a rain that would be. All right, nice singing. We're going to sing about one more set of vegetables and fruits. Let's see. I think I'm going to do squash. And, how about this right here? What is this? It's an orange. That's right, it's an orange. Look, both of these are orange. They're not the same shape, but they're both orange and they're both healthy. Let's sing about a squash and the orange. If all of the raindrops were squash and oranges, oh, what a rain that would be. I'd run outside with my mouth open wide. Ah, 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 ah. If all of the raindrops were squash and oranges, oh, tuning in with me. And make sure you're eating your healthy foods at home.